Hi, my name is Jashankar. This is a demonstration for coursework PDE 4431, coursework 2. As you can see, this is the base, this is the scenario that we have to do. And in this base, in the left hand side, there is 6 cone in the triangular shape area. This triangle shape area. And in between this yellow color station, I will call it this station for as a filling station. And this right side, this is the blue station, this is the final station, which is the scenario is come up like the left station, that's feed station. I will call this as a field station. This feed station, this robot should take one cone and it should come to the filling station and go through this path. And this there is two pipes, if you can see here, and this one pipe, the second one. In one pipe, this should stay for a few minutes, few seconds, and again it should come to the second point near to the this pipe, and then it should come to the final stage. And you can see here, second pattern. I have defined this marks here, and here you can see this triangle shape, and I have defined only one point to start, and then based on one point this all the points will be taken. And as you can see, I will start the program. Then I have developed one Python program to run this entire codes. You can see here all the fields are defined, and using the one points I have calculated as bonus points, and these approach points all I have into the array, and using this one I have execute, and like this you can see this all codes. So let's run the program. Once I double click start the program, and take one cone, and it's come to the approach point and come to the filling station and go through this path, wait for a time, and again come to the second station. Like this it will continue for all the cones one by one. I think I can speed up the video. So this is the last cone, and it's come to the last place, and job is done. Robot will come to the home position. Right click, you can generate the program. And Epson RC, once you open, and you can copy paste the code, and I will run program. This is the way, but here I have attached only the bases. It's not the grip bands. It will be simulate as it is, which is how the robot run in the RoboDK. The same way it will appear here. Same like the real robot working in this dimension, which is this kind of workstation. To where this three station. This is same scenario, same like filling ice cream. I will speed up the program. Finally, this robot come back to home position.